Old Brass Wagon is the first song that we are going to use to play games and dance around to. Before I can teach you the games, I have to teach you the song and the words. The words and the song comes from an old American folk song. And like many folk songs, it has 4 different verses, and each verse is mostly the same with just a little bit of switch. Let's work on the words first. So the first words are, circle to the left, old brass wagon. Try saying that. Circle to the left, old brass wagon. And then we say it again. Circle to the left, old brass wagon. Try that. Circle to the left, old brass wagon. And then we do it again. Circle to the left, old brass wagon. Say that. Circle to the left, old brass wagon. And at the end, it changes. You're the one, my darling. Try. You're the one, my darling. So there's 4 parts to the verse. The first 3 all have the same words, and then the last one is different. Let's try it. I'm first, you're second. Circle to the left, old brass wagon. 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 You're the one, my darling. You're the one, my darling. That's it. Now the next part is the same, except it's circle to the right. It's the other direction. So I'm first, you're second. Circle to the right, old brass wagon. 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 You're the one, my darling. You're the one, my darling. So that's the second verse. Now, I'm not going to go over the 3rd verse and 4th verse too much because I think you get the pattern. The 3rd verse is everybody in old brass wagon, everybody in old brass wagon, everybody in old brass wagon, you're the one, my darling. And the 4th verse is everybody out. Everybody out, old brass wagon, everybody out, old brass wagon, everybody out. Old brass wagon, you're the one, my darling. Those are the words. So now let's try singing it. We'll slow down just a little bit for the singing. Again, I'm first, you're second, and we'll do the first verse with the words of circle to the left. Circle to the left, the old brass wagon. Your turn. Circle to the left, the old brass wagon. My turn. Circle to the left, the old brass wagon. Circle to the left, the old brass wagon. My turn. Circle to the left, the old brass wagon. Circle to the left, the old brass wagon. You're the one, my darling. You're the one, my darling. Not too bad, right? Let's see if we can put it together. So it's circle to the left, old brass wagon, the old brass wagon. 3 times, each time getting a little bit higher. I don't know if you noticed that. And then at the end, you're the one, my darling. Okay, let's try it. Verse 1 together. 1, 2, here we go. Circle to the left, the old brass wagon. Circle to the left, the old brass wagon. Circle to the left, the old brass wagon. You're the one, my darling. If you need to, you can always repeat this video if you need to go back and try it again. Let's try verse 2. It's the same except circle to the right. 1, 2, here we go. Circle to the right, the old brass wagon. Circle to the right, the old brass wagon. Circle to the right, the old brass wagon. You're the one, my darling. Verse 3, same thing, but now it's everybody in. 1, 2, here we go. Everybody in the old brass wagon, everybody in the old brass wagon, everybody in the old brass wagon, you're the one, my darling. Verse 4, everybody out. 1, 2, here we go. Everybody out, the old brass wagon, everybody out, the old brass wagon, everybody out, the old brass wagon, you're the one, my darling. That's the whole song. So now that you know the words and can sing it, okay, it's all right if it's not perfect. Now, the next video will show you the movement.